Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel aka the Shining Light Learning Insightful Hub. My name is Peace and Omneze and the pilot in this learning flight experience. So sit back and enjoy this flight session. You will recall in my first video ever made on this channel, I did promise that I'll be bringing us topical issues in real estate, in legal and in management consulting, because these are my areas of expertise. Okay, so on the 16th day of February 2024, Supreme Court of Nigeria gave judgment on the popular case of Amcon and Suru Worldwide Ventures, and the judgment was that the takeover of takeover of Suru Worldwide by Amcon is declared null and void because they did not follow due process and because they were not joined, that Suru Worldwide Ventures were not joined in the suit in Federal High Court, leading to takeover of the assets of the company. All right, so based on that, I have brought a very beautiful topic that will be of interest to you if you are buying a property or if you are a potential investor in real estate. What is the topic? The topic is legal checklist before buying properties under Amcon. All right, so who are the Amcon? Asset Management Nigeria. They are bodies created to effectively stabilize the financial system by helping them to resolve non-performing loans in the sector. All right, so many organizations and corporate bodies that borrowed money from different commercial banks, okay, that their loans were considered non-performing, were sold to Asset Management Nigeria, that's Amcon, to manage their loan portfolio. Okay, so in the course of this, because the company and the body, the power establishing the company give them the authority to take over the assets and not the liabilities of such corporate bodies. So Suru Worldwide Ventures were affected in 2008 when their loan book was sold to Asset Management Nigeria by the then defunct Oceanic Bank, okay, now EcoBank Nigeria. All right, so and sometime in 2017 and 2018, the federal the Amcon got an order from the Federal High Court without joining Suru Worldwide and took over the assets of this corporate organization. And the matter has been ongoing from Federal High Court to Court of Appeal. The Suru Worldwide Ventures, they won the matter in Court of Appeal. Amcon still went ahead to sue, to appeal to Supreme Court, and the matter was heard on the 16th day of February 2024, where the Supreme Court declared that the takeover was null and void and the process was not followed. Due process was not followed, and is a key issue in law. You must follow due process, establish where there is an established procedure in taking over a corporate body. All right, so when we talk about legal checklist, what do we mean? So legal checklist is an aspect of real estate due diligence that helps a lawyer to confirm that all legal requirements has been made and verification has been done, and where things needs to be done and things that if the things that needed to be done has been effectively done. All right, so when we talk about the checklist when buying properties from Amcon, what are they? One, the first checklist when buying properties from Amcon is to consider whether due process has been followed in acquiring the assets of this company. That is number one. Whether due process has been followed. Two, if there is an ongoing litigation on the property. If there's an ongoing litigation, number three checklist is to confirm what is the status of this litigation. Is it at the Federal High Court? Is it at the Court of Appeal? Or is it at the Supreme Court? Is it ongoing? Has it been concluded? Very important. If a matter has not been concluded, the likelihood that you are buying a legal issue is there. So you need to confirm this. One, due process. Two, existence of litigation. Three, status of this litigation. Four, if there is a confirmed settlement between between Amcon and the owners of these assets. the corporate organization that owns this asset. You need to confirm if there is an existing settlement. Number five is, has it been duly signed? Okay, there is a settlement between the parties. Okay, you pay so and so amount. When you pay, I'll let go of your properties, or you take property A, I'll take property B, then you go on your way. So confirm. Number 6 is, has this settlement been signed, duly signed by the recognized owners in law of this corporate, of this asset, and appointed leadership in Asset Management Nigeria? Number 5, you need to go to the company and confirm that the information that you are getting from Amcon is the same information, the same facts from this company. So you need to confirm the facts you are getting from the company in the course of your due diligence and the facts that you are getting from Amcon, that both information tallies together and there is no discrepancies. All right, so these are the checklists for you to confirm when buying properties from Amcon. What you'll be seeing now is a video clip from Arise Television, where they gave a short description of what happened that day in court. So sit back and enjoy the video, and I will come back and I'll make some comments on that.
The Supreme Court has affirmed the judgment of the Court of Appeal nullifying the takeover of Best Western Hotel located in Ikeja, Lagos. A federal high court in Lagos had ordered the takeover of the company's property by Amcon for not paying the loan obtained from a defunct bank. In its decision, the appeal court had upturned the judgment of the High Court owing to the failure of Amcon to join the owners of the hotel as defendants in its suit before the Federal High Court, thus rendering the proceedings leading to the takeover order a nullity. Amcon appealed to the Apex Court.
We have always maintained that Amcon took the law into their own hands by invading our hotel premises and using the instrumentality of force to take over the hotel. What Amcon had done has been pronounced illegal, and as such, matters will revert to status quo pre-Amcon action. They will work back to the trial court. They will take over our hotel because we were, in possession of the hotel before they forcefully ejected us. Then they will now go to court and go and prove why they should take over from us. If they can convince the court, then fine, you understand. So the law has processes. They should follow that process.
Thank you. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that video. You have seen that the summary of everything I've been saying was adequately said in that video. So before buying any property from Amcon, you need to involve your lawyer. I want to tell you this: every real estate transaction must start and end with a lawyer. Don't buy any property without involving a lawyer. And when I mean a lawyer in real estate practice who understands what legal risk means, who will appreciate the risk involved in any real estate transactions. All right. If you have any question regarding any of these legal checklists that I mentioned, please feel free to send me an email or click on the form in our bio, and I'll be glad to answer all your questions. In the meantime, thank you so much, and please, my next video will be on implications of buying properties from Amcon when the property is under litigation. You don't want to miss that video, and because of that, please subscribe to my channel, and once I upload the video, you'll be notified. Thank you, and have a beautiful week.